What's up guys, welcome back to the Vintage Air Garage. I'm Billy. Today we're going to be installing a compressor bracket on our 72 GTO. So get some tools and get after it. Alright, we're going to move into putting on our main bracket. Since we don't have a small pump, we're going to use our spacers. We're going to need our 3-inch bolts, 1 1/4, and our 3/4 bolt. Cool, moving on to our next step. Go ahead and grab your 1-inch bolt with a flat washer. It's gonna go right here in this channel. I'm just gonna take another bolt just to line this up with our bracket here. Then we'll remove it after we snug it up. You remove your bolt. We're gonna go ahead and install our compressor now. We're gonna start with a 2-inch bolt. It's gonna run through your compressor, into the bracket, and into the main bracket. It's gonna get secured with a lock nut. The rest of your bolts are 1.5 inches. All right guys, now that you have all your hardware there installed, go ahead and tighten them up. All right guys, this is going to conclude our installation of our compressor and compressor bracket. If you have any questions on belt routing or anything like that, we do have some information in our instructions. Just refer to that. And any more questions, you can also call our tech line. Once again, from Vintage Air, I'm Billy. Be cool. If you have any problem with any kind of parts or anything from your system, go ahead and call our sales guys. They're very knowledgeable, can help you out with anything you need. If you have any problems with your installation, make sure you call our tech team.